Hi guys! For today's video ay isi-share namin sa inyo kung saan kami nag-stay for 2 nights nung nag-stay kami sa Iloilo. Ito yung Park Inn by Radisson. So nakita lang namin yung hotel sa booking.com and yung booking is nag-cost ng 3,500 per night including yung breakfast buffet. So pakita ko sa inyo yung room and check out natin yung breakfast buffet nila. Okay, so yung breakfast buffet nila ay nag-start ng 6 AM and since free, ito in-avail na namin. So yan, may coffee shop din sa baba. Napaka-ideal nitong hotel na to guys since malapit siya sa lahat and may katabi siyang SM Mall. So kung may kailangan kayo, you will just need to walk like 2 to 3 minutes, nandun na kayo agad. Ayan. So ito yung buffet area nila for the breakfast. Okay, so kuha lang kami ng pagkain and we'll show you the food. Yan, all in all, masarap naman po yung kanilang free breakfast buffet kasama nung stay and we enjoyed their stay here dahil napaka-comfortable ng mga beddings nila. The only thing is may extra charge kapag nag-request kayo ng mga extra toiletries and pillow. Okay, that's our review for Radisson Park Inn Hotel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.